in last video we have discussed the injection molding process and related terms. Okay, so in this video I am trying to explain you in the CAD software, so how the injection process work and what is meant by mold and how the part is ejected from the system, and related systems also we will discuss. So here you can see this is the I'll hide here the exploded view. So here I have just roughly modeled this injection molding process so that I can share you some details. So this one is the injection units where we have the screw and the hooper, and this is the injection barrel. Okay, and here from here we are adding the material in the granular form, and with the help of the screw we are compressing and melting the granular form of material. After melting, so here there is an emitting chamber. So in that the right quantity of material we will inject from this nozzle, and it will goes to the sprue and to the runner. Sorry, here it is a gate. Okay, so in this mold we have not included the runner, but in multi cavity mold you can see the runner as well. There is a sprue, runner and the gate. So here we have the sprue and the gate. So from the gate it will goes to the cavity. So in the mold chamber we have the two different section. One is the fixed mold and another is the movable mold. So it will move backside with the help of a clamping unit, and so you can see here the mold also moved with the core mold. Okay, so this one is the cavity mold and this one is the core mold. So this one is the cavity mold because here the material is removed from this mold. So this side is the cavity side and this side is the core side. So you can see the projected material from the mold surface. So it is a core side of the mold, and this one is the cavity side. So in this way you can understood the core and the cavity side of the mold. So once we injected the material, it goes into the cavity side, and so no, sorry. So here we have so the mold once we ejected, so the cooling the solidification of the this product will start, and with the help of this cooling channel in the mold, and the material will solidify, and after the solidification the ejector pin come out from this mold, and it will push the material or the part so that from the this core side mold, and once the ejector pin pushes, so it will drop from here and the part is manufactured. So like this process is work, and it will continue the same process with the same unit like injection, filling of the mold, solidification, and the removal of the mold and removal of the part likewise. So these molds are generally made up of aluminum and the steel material, and in this mold, so from the uh, fixed mold, actually there is a inside the fixed mold there is a sprue, there is a gate, and sometimes there is a runner also. uh, uh, so here I have not shown runner, so this mold is without runner. So without it is not always mandatory to keep the runner, but for because in the single cavity mold there is a gate or the direct sprueing also there. So we have that video, so we will upload that one also. So in this fixed side of mold there is a sprue, gate, a runner, and also there is an you can see there is a cooling channel also. Here I have not included, but there are the cooling channel that continuously help the part for the solidification. And in the fixed side mold there is a cooling channel, ejector pins are there in the movable side mold. So it will help the part to eject from the this core side mold, so that it will not stick with the core side mold. And in injection molding, there is a temperature and the pressure. These two parameters are very important to maintain properly, and this parameter actually varies with material to material. So different material, I mean, different material having the different melting points. So this parameter varies based on the material, based on the size of the product we require, okay, and thickness of the product. So we need to properly maintain this parameter so that our part will be defect free, and we will get the good finishing. So to get the good finishing, so for that we need the mold, good mold quality. Material of the mold will should be good, and we need to set the parameter properly, and we need to use the proper material to get the proper finishing of the material or the product. Okay, I hope you understood this injection molding, and it will help in your knowledge with this CAD. So just I tried with this CAD software so that I can explain you the injection molding. So this is the rough modeling. Actually it is because in the injection molding machines there are a number of components are there for the injection unit, for the clamping unit, for the mold unit, and also there is a control unit which controls the complete process, like a temperature parameter, temperature, pressure, and the metering units, and some sensors are there, some safety units are safety systems are there. So those are included in the control system. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please share with your friend, like the video. If you have any questions, please comment in the comment box. So thank you for watching. See you in the next video.